Hi, my name is Adrian, and today we're going to make some cheese foam. We're going to put some cream cheese in a bowl, sugar, and some salt. We're going to use a hand mixer to mix this. Mix until it's well incorporated. Then we add heavy whipping cream and half and half. We're going to mix until soft peaks. And all there's left to do is to put on your favorite drink. In this case, I have some oolong tea that I'm going to put some cheese foam on top. Next is to garnish with some matcha powder, or you can salt bake, whatever you like. This cheese foam goes really well with Dalgona coffee, and we're going to make a cheese foam tiramisu Dalgona coffee with popping boba. First, we are going to make popping boba. To make popping boba, we need help from food science. We need calcium lactate and sodium alginate to create a chemical reaction. This allows us to create the outer membrane of the boba while still having liquid inside. What I'm doing right now is creating a sodium alginate bath. I have a mix of distilled water and sodium alginate. Mix until you don't see the powder anymore. After mixing, pour into a container and store for 4 hours or overnight. While that's happening, we're going to make our calcium lactate base, which is water, calcium lactate, brown sugar. Blend until the sugar dissolves, and you can see I don't know how to put a blender lid on. Once the sugar dissolves, set your heat on high and put the calcium lactate mixture in a pan. Then put tea bags and boil for 7 minutes to extract the black tea flavor. After 7 minutes, pour the mixture into the mold. Now we're making popping boba. Even out the mixtures to let it get into every crevice of the mold. Pour the remainder into the container. Let it cool down about an hour, then freeze for 4 hours or overnight. Once frozen, pop the bobas into the sodium alginate bath. Make sure they're not in contact with each other. If they touch each other, they will stick. Once you put them in, you can't take them out. I learned the hard way. I moved some of the spears around and they did not form correctly. Let the bobas take their bath for 10 minutes. Do this process fast because the frozen bobas will melt. If you cannot put them all in the bath, put the molds back in the freezer and do another batch. After 10 minutes, put the boba into the water to clean out the sodium alginate. Then put the boba in the brown sugar syrup, which is made of brown sugar and water. As you can see, some of them didn't turn out great because I moved them around, but I was able to salvage some of them. You can store the bobas in the syrup for up to 1 day. After that, they will burst. Last thing to do is to make the Dalgona coffee. We have some sugar, instant coffee, and water. We're going to use a hand mixer to mix this. Mix until soft peaks. It should look like this. Now it's time to assemble a drink. We have some popping boba. Pour some milk into the glass. put some Dalgona coffee on top of the milk. We're gonna add some cheese foam on top. Yeah, it's a mess, but I'll clean it up. Oh crap, it is a mess. But don't worry, all I do is clean it up. Just garnish with some cocoa powder, and that's the drink. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for new videos.